The Purasolve biological parts washer range is ideal for efficient parts cleaning without the use of solvent products. The Purasolve PSB130 and PSB180 use water-based cleaning liquids with surfactants, combined with natural microorganism tablets to bioremediate hydrocarbons and provide excellent degreasing power. The Purasolve PSB130 and PSB180 are designed to be perfectly safe for the user and the environment and pose no risks of fire, explosion or toxic vapours. Made of roto-moulded plastic technology, the Purasolve bacterial parts washers offer great heat retention and limit liquid evaporation. Both units include the following features: ergonomic control box, part soaking area, handheld brush for detailed cleaning applications, easy drain system, washable and reusable stainless steel filter. In line with net zero initiatives, the Purasolve PSB130 is fitted with an economy switch to lower power usage by as much as 25% on a variety of applications and when the machine is not getting constant use. Meanwhile, the Purasolve PSB180 has the additional option for soaking with pneumatic agitation. Both Purasolve PSB130 and PSB180 are perfect for cleaning parts with heavy soiling, such as machine oils, high-temperature greases, printing inks, and even carbonate parts. These biological parts washers allow operators to work efficiently, under optimum health and safety conditions. For more information on our Purasolve biological parts washers, contact us at 1800 777 580 or sales@envirofluid.com.